Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a late evening clean with me. My house just needed to be picked up before the end of the day, so I'm just going to be starting in my kitchen and just cleaning with you guys today. I am using a product from Dollar Tree. It's my favorite, even though it says window cleaner. I use it all over my house because it's mixed with the vinegar, and the vinegar is really good for cleaning and disinfecting. Sometimes I even pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol with it because rubbing alcohol is very good for disinfecting and cleaning also, but I didn't this time. It's just the window cleaner and vinegar mixed together, but I use it all over on my stainless steel stove, countertops, glass, anything. It gets it clean. I love it. I'm also using a blue microfiber rag because I don't like to use paper towels because it's just wasteful. My microfiber rag, I can easily wash those. I just put a little bit of water on there just before I start cleaning it with it. For my dishes, I like to put the dishes in the dishwasher throughout the day. I don't run it until the end of the night, just in case I like to have a late night snack or whatever it may be. So I run the dishwasher at the end of the day, and throughout the day I will just take things out the sink and rinse them off a little bit and scrub if needed and put them in there until I run the dishwasher. The living room is where me and my husband spend the most time, so it had a little bit more stuff going on, but I'm just going to pick that up and then spray it on the glass and tidy up the couches. We are looking into getting rid of our love seat and getting a new couch that's a little bit more modern and replacing the love seat with 2 accent chairs, so I can't wait for that. I'm really excited to redo our living room because we've had these couches for so long. And the last thing I'm going to do is laundry. I'm just going to take the clothes out the dryer really quick and then put in a new load of sheets and towels. Yes, I wash them together just because I like to get things done quick, and I don't separate my whites and my colors just because these washers these days, they're more advanced and I've never had any type of mess up on my whites mixing them with colors. That's how I've always done my laundry. So I'm just going to end off the night folding up this basket, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching. The quality is not the best in this video just because my camera's getting very old. I am saving for a new one. I want the new Canon Rebel T6i, but the T6 will also do I'll probably go ahead and do the T6, but the T6i is what I really want. But I'm saving for a new camera because there's some lighting issues in here and it's a little bit blurry. It's not as crisp as I want it to. So I just didn't want to not post anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish filming some videos with this camera until I get a new one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed and don't mind the blurriness and pixelation. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.